After 2 runs to the store, finally being able to get the right socket. We haven't had much success. Let's see if this fits better. Oh yeah, this should do the job. So, we'll put you guys on my head and get back to it. The heck, I don't know why it's not coming out. Right now I'm struggling with this, and I'll be right back. So basically what happened is I lost the key to this, and I can't take it off, so I'm gonna see if I can go to the dealership. If I can go to the dealership and they can, I don't know, I think they have a master lock, and I'm pretty sure they can take it off for me. So that's what we're gonna go do today, and then we're gonna put my other wheels back on. See how it looks with the wrap. We're here at the dealership. I asked the lady if she could do it, but she looked like she was lost. I told her last time it's the same lady. Literally, it's the same lady. So now we're waiting to see if they can do it or not. Hopefully they can do it, because I'm not trying to deal with this no more. This is the last time I put a damn lug nut key in this.
You said you need the wheel lock keys off?
Yeah, just so, for the front.
Do you have the like regular lugs to put back on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. It's just
we do
two.
it just because we can't like send you away missing a lug.
Yeah, I figured
so we
that.
gotta put one back on. So. Yeah, we can go find it. And yeah, we can take them up right now.
Appreciate it, man. Alright, so as you guys can see, they can do it. So for you guys that lost your key, all you need to come is to your dealership and they'll take it off. You gotta bring the lug nut with you, because they can't let you leave with 4 or with 1 missing lug nut. So there you go. There you guys have it. You guys don't gotta go home and fucking beat the shit out of your car trying to like take it off and like do all this crazy stuff like I was trying to do. Come to the dealership, they'll take care of it. After this, we're gonna get a wash. Look at this. Looking filthy. Well, this is what I did to the passenger side. I basically put a 12-point socket, and we did all of this. But as you can see, yeah.
You can take your gun back, Mango.
So you can see these have like a little guard right here, and this like spins. Can't show you guys with it. I'll show you guys in a little bit. Basically, whenever I would turn the socket, this has a guard that just, you can see it's spinning, but the lock itself isn't. So this shit had me stressing. We took it off, thank God. Appreciate the help over at the dealership. We took them off and we put just regular ones on. Let's see if you can see. Scratched it up right there. I hammered it right here pretty bad. See anything else that I can see? That's pretty much it. I'm not too worried about it, because I'm planning on powder coating these black, so I don't really care. And this, you can buy it online for like $8, I'm guessing. But yeah. Now we're gonna get to swapping them out to the weld wheels. Day 3 of trying to take my front wheels off.
I
I'm here, so they're getting put on.
Nigga, that's because I went today. Yeah. Finally, man. God dang it. And then fucking.
Where'd you learn that? You're supposed to do it with your fingers. Makes you a better person.
I beat the fuck out of this wheel.
Did you scratch it?
Yeah. You see it?
And you hit the SRT emblem.
Yeah, that doesn't matter. You can just get a brand new one. Like this.
Oh my god.
Woo! It's shiny. No, they're not true.
Dude, it changes the whole look of the car.
Yeah.
Alright, man, torque it down already.
Yeah, that looks nice right there. Well, luckily you guys don't have to wait for the other side. We'll do it right now. And just like that, they're back on. Man, does that look good, man. That thing looks good. I'm gonna put you guys down real quick. I'm gonna take some pictures for the gram. So yep, we finally got the car 100% right now. So this is the finished product. If it focuses, come on, man, let's go. Freaking clean. The only thing we're missing, literally, is all the forged carbon parts that I had ordered, and then my shipment got lost or whatever. So now I gotta freaking order it again. And I didn't end up so good with that company, so I don't even know if I can order from it again, or if they're gonna want to build my parts. Yeah. Yes, sir. I hear people still be reacting to my car a lot, man. They fuck with the wrap. And now that the wheels are back on, they definitely be breaking necks. So yeah, the only thing I might change about this wheel setup is these wheels right here. They're a little bit too tall for me. Too tall for my liking, and probably gonna go a little bit wider. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Car's back on the weld setup, and it's wrapped. Let me know what you guys think. You guys fuck with the with the current setup, or should I get different wheels? Yes. But anyways, that's gonna wrap up the video for today. You guys make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and you guys stay tuned for other videos, man. Peace.